Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. So let's start a new lesson. It is a song about myself. A song about myself. So in this we are going to learn a poem about a naughty boy. So he is singing a song for himself. So it is written like a poem. So first, before going to the poem, let's come to the warm up. See, children. So here there are some words. See, the poem is about a naughty boy who ran away from home. So in this poem, what we are going to learn about a naughty boy. For whom do we call naughty boy? So who harm others. Yes, who do tricks with on his friends or use tricks on the animals. So who won't listen to parents. So they will be the naughtiest one. Yes, so here is a naughty boy. In this poem we are going to learn about a naughty boy who is going away from home, who went away from the home. See, read the following sentences about what other children do and choose the word to describe them. Yes, so we have to give a one word which describe about that person. So here the habits of different children are given. అంటే different children వాళ్ళ habits ఇచ్చారు. So ఆ children కి మీరు ఏం నేమ్ ఇస్తారో that we have to decide it here. Okay children, first of all coming to the words, see what words are. Mean. First one is mean. So what is mean? Which we do for our own self is mean. మన హ్యాపీనెస్ కోసము ఇఫ్ అదర్స్కి అది హామ్ అయినా సరే మన హ్యాపీనెస్ కోసం చేసేది దట్ ఈస్ ద మీన్ విచ్ ఈస్ నాట్ గుడ్ ఫర్ అదర్స్ అండ్ which we feel that it makes us happy, that is called as a mean person. Okay children, adventurous. What is adventurous? So mostly we will say adventurous trip. Yes, where we go on high mountains, climb the high mountains. So we can see that it was an adventurous trip for us. Yes, responsible, who do their duties on time, who complete their duties. If imagine for you class teacher will give you the different duties that you have to rub the board, you have to see who is speaking in English, you used to do that one in your class. Who is speaking in Telugu, you used to note down their names. So that is one of the responsibility. So if you do that duty properly, I will tell you that you are a responsible person. Now see, next is discipline. Next is discipline, who follow all the rules and do their duties on time are called as disciplined persons. Yes, and the next one is naughty. So I told you already naughty, who is naughty. Yes, now listen the sentences and write the answers. See children, Rakesh wakes up every morning at 6 a.m. to attend his tennis training. So for going to tennis training, he used to wake up early in the morning, that is at 6 a.m. So what it is? Disciplined. So he is a disciplined boy. Yes, so that is the answer of first one. See, Hanif makes sure he switches off all the fans and lights in the classroom after everyone leaves. So what is Hanif's duty? When everyone in the class leaves, he should off the light and fan. So what it is, he is doing that perfectly. So he is the responsible person. Yes, who do his duties properly is called a responsible person. Priya likes to pull the tails of stray cats and dogs. So what I told, it is happiness for us that pulling the tails of cats and dogs. But is it good for the animals? No, we are harming the animals. Priya is harming the animals, so it is mean. It is mean. See, Preeta and Rita go trekking in the mountains with their parents. So going on to the mountains is an adventurous trip. So this is the fourth one. Yes children, and coming to the last, John plays harmless tricks on his friends in school. Playing the harmless tricks with the friends is the naughty thing. So he is the naughty boy. Okay children, understood the meanings of that? So according to that, try to do the answers on your own. Okay, see, Now coming to the poem. See, only in dreams can little boys travel alone and visit far off foreign lands. Are you one of them? So we are small. When we are small, like you people, when you people are small, will your parents let you go far away? సో మీకు ఎలోన్గా ఎక్కడైనా దూరంగా పంపిస్తారా పేరెంట్స్? నో. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గో వీ కెన్ జస్ట్ డ్రీమ్ ఆఫ్ గోయింగ్. వీ కాంట్ రియల్లీ గో alone anywhere because our parents won't let us go. Yes, why? Because it is not safe and good to go alone. Okay children, so it is only in dreams we can go very far alone and enjoy the trip. So here also the same with the naughty boy. See what he is doing. He is going alone very far away from his house. Okay, come learn. Let's learn the poem. See, there was a naughty boy. A naughty boy was he. He would not stop at home. He would not quite be. He took. See, so the boy is very naughtiest boy. He was very naughty boy and he could not stop at home. So అసలు ఇంట్లో ఎప్పుడు ఉండడు. That it means he never be at home and he never can keep quiet. So some people will be there, that every time they used to be doing something things, they won't keep quiet. Yes, so here also the same, he could not be quiet. See what he has done. In his knapsack, a book full of vowels and a shirt. What is knapsack, children? So a bag of cloth. Okay, on the bag which we wear, school bag will be there, na? That one. So here it is knapsack. In his knapsack, what he has kept? A book full of vowels and a shirt. So full of vowels books he has kept in his bag, and some of the towels we will be using, the napkins and all that he has kept in his bag. See, and a shirt also he has took in the bag because he is going very far away from the home. So some towels he has kept, some vowels books and a shirt. See, and still what he kept. With some towels, a slight cap for night cap, a hairbrush, comb ditto, new stockings for old ones with split toe. So what children here, what he has kept? First he has kept some vowels books, some towels and a shirt, and he has kept a cap which is slight. You can see on his head. So a slight cap, and he took a hairbrush. Comb ditto. What is ditto means? Another of same kind. So hairbrush will be there, round one, a hairbrush, and a comb which is will be straight long one. So that too he has kept up. Okay, hairbrush and a comb ditto. This knapsack tied its back, he riveted close and followed his nose. So what he is doing? He kept his knapsack very firmly, means held it very tightly on his back, and he is going. What he is following to go? His nose. How our nose will be directed to north side. So he is following his nose completely, means he is going in a straight way. See, to the north and followed his nose to the north. So this is the straight road, north. Yes, so completely straight he is following to his nose. What he is using to follow the direction? His nose. That always shows here. Will our nose go to the show this direction? Will it show this direction? Will it show the back direction? No, it is showing only the north direction, that he is following the nose and going straight. See, there was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people for to see there he found. So where he was going away from the house? To the Scotland. Where he was going? To the Scotland. So see children, down there is one question for you. Sailors use Marinus compass. So sailors, who are sailors? Sailors who travel in the ships for the long trips are called as sailors. Okay na? Ships చేసే వాళ్ళు నడిపే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదా, those are called as sailors. ఓకే, సో వాళ్ళు ఏం యూస్ చేస్తారు ట్రావెల్ చేయడానికి షిప్లో? వాళ్ళ డైరెక్షన్ ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? హౌ కెన్ దే నో ద డైరెక్షన్? దే విల్ హ్యావ్ వన్ కంపాస్. Okay, they will have one compass that they will use for the direction. But here, what the naughty boy used to go in a particular direction? What he is using to go in a particular direction? Nose. What he is using? Nose. Write the answer here, okay children. See, next. was as hard that a yard was as long. So where he is traveling, that yard. So you can see here in the picture, this is called as yard. Okay, so it is very hard and the ground was very hard and the yard is very long. See, that his song was as merry, that its cherry was as red. So here he is comparing. So cherry and the red guntundo, his song is as merry as that. Okay children, here he is comparing all the things. See, so that his song was as merry, that its cherry was as red. He is singing his own song. So what he is telling, how merry his song is, as the cherry is red. Cherry enta red guntundo anta merry ga ante anta beautiful ga aina song undi anatuga he is comparing to himself. See, that lead was as weighty, that fourscore was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England, so he stood in his shoes. See children, so that lead was as weighty, that fourscore was as 80. So what is fourscore? 40. Okay, so here his lead was as weight. So what is comparing to that weight as? To the 80. Fourscore was as 80. See, that a door was as wooden as in England, so he stood in his shoes. So he is standing in his shoes because that wooden, what he is feeling is was the door was as a wooden, so he is stood standing in his shoes. And he wondered, he stood in his shoes and he wondered. Now he was nothing to know, just he is wearing his shoes and he is wondered, means amazed, that don't know what he has to do. He is wondered. See children, so this was the poem about the naughty boy. First he started, next see, here he is wondered after reaching to the yard. By seeing everything that he is not able to understand that, now he is wondered, means amazed. Okay children, so this is the poem about the naughty boy. See here, the naughty boy wondered because. So here are the options. Okay, so which is the right option? Selected and tick it. Okay, and down tick the things the naughty boy carried in his knapsack. So what he carried? Comb, a hairbrush, book of vowels, towels, and a shirt. So different things. So tick the things which he has carried in his knapsack. Okay. So complete this children reading part. I will send you the answers later. Okay.